Trust is one of the most important elements in any relationship. I've seen many people, when they go through a heartbreaking situation, they quote this one as a major reason: the lack of trust or a trust deficit. Can we really quantify and qualify trust? The question is not about whether we can quantify or qualify or not. It is necessary to do it. So many of us don't even know the dynamics of the trust. We don't even know how much to trust someone or how much trust that we can demand from someone. So what is trust? Why is it necessary? Trust is like an engine oil in a relationship. If it is not there, despite your fuel tank is full, but the engine of the relationship gets seized. Trust is mandatory to strengthen and sustain the relationship. See, there are two aspects. There has to be a trust in upholding the mutual understanding in the relationship and safeguarding the interest in the individual's growth. It's extremely important to integrate these two aspects in trust. Can we qualify trust? Many youngsters come to me after they go through a breakup and they keep telling that there was so much of trust between us. We knew each other's password, we knew each other's confidential information. I find it very absurd and hilarious at the same time. So, do you really think sharing the confidential information is a symbol of trust? I would say it is a symbol of distrust. So, there is no trust, so that's why people are sharing their information, sharing their confidential information. So, what exactly is the symbol of trust? The trust can always build based on respecting the individual's space and also individual's commitment to the relationship which is already there in their life. Can we quantify trust? My answer would be no. But surely we can know the lower and the upper limit of trust. Zero trust will suffocate the relationship, and so has the absolute 100% trust. Yes, I agree. 100% absolute trust works perfectly fine in biological relationship because it would have gone through rough weathers and terrains for a couple of decades or more. It's very absurd or nonsensical to expect the same absolute trust in a relationship which is just 2 to 3 years old. Allow the relationship to evolve. Don't be in unnecessary urgency to prove anything by force. Do not put too much of stress on your partner by investing or demanding absolute trust. Trust is an inherent feature of any relationship which will increase progressively by itself, thereby deciding the future of the relationship. Trust always reduces the stress. Never let it become the source of the stress. If you like this video, do subscribe and share. And let me know the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.